always refer to your installation instructions, as it is the primary source of information regarding your appliance.
Today we're going to talk about the microwave's control lock feature. This is your cancel button. It's a button that's marked X. And just grayed out below it, it does say control lock. You push this button for 3 seconds, and that icon will appear just above the timer. And it's a little key. It means that the pad is locked. Nothing will be activated. Now, to unlock your microwave, you simply hold the X again for 3 seconds, and now your microwave is ready to be used.
Remember to always refer to your use and care guide.